feel like with our 146 subscribers that somebody might be watching. We appreciate everyone.
We do. We dance.
Yeah.
We get real happy. Okay, so that could be you. Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative.
For spring.
Yay!
So excited. So today we have box 320.
Yeah.
We're pretty excited about it.
In this craft kit, we have included a mini grapevine wreath.
Can I say it's cute?
Yes.
It's cute.
It's definitely cute. And we're gonna make miniature wreaths for spring and Easter.
They have an Easter flair for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Yeah, the colors and the wildflowerness.
Yes, there might be an egg.
Potentially.
Or 3 in there as well.
Probably.
This one, you're gonna be able to use a little bit of creativity if you want.
Yes, there's plenty of stuff included. I keep saying stuff. That's what it is.
Yeah, stop.
Lots of greenery options. Use it all or don't. You'll kind of see that, we're going to go through the process and kind of play it by ear as we go. We haven't really made any plans ahead for this one. So let's see how they turn out.
All right.
You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. The thing that takes the longest is just deciding. I am gonna kind of feed it in that little hole right there. That's a good start. First glue spot. There's no turning back now.
No turning back. Where's the bow gonna go?
That's what you call winging it.
Yeah. Nope.
Yeah, it just takes a hot minute. Ha ha ha.
Mm-hmm. The pains.
That's why they call it hot glue.
Right. Pains of crafting. And wildflowers are, I mean, they're, you know,
They're supposed to be wild.
wild. I was like, what's the word for wildflowers?
Crazy.
That was a little too wild. Going back in. These are both like, hey. Sometimes I trim the grapevine wreath, but I like these, again, a little bit wild.
Yeah.
Like I like all these
Oh, yeah.
boingy boingies.
I like the boinky boinkies too. A little patience.
Mm-hmm. Did you just blow stuff over to my side?
Blowing it away. Oh no.
Did you glue it to yourself?
Melted it in half.
The stem?
Yeah.
I think that's what happened here because
Okay.
it popped out and it was shorter. So be sure to hold them in place
If you have a
if you're really
high temp.
hot gluing. I like the hot temp.
Yeah, I do too. We send I'm pretty sure it's a cool.
Which
Or
is,
it's not
you know,
this hot.
probably then will not melt these
Yeah.
if you want to get one of those.
Ta-da.
I've got a,
You have a hanging chad, dangling chad?
I have a dangling chad.
So I guess with mine, I'm gonna just continue on with keeping it in the round.
So you're going to snip that.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. I might still do that even though I am in the half round.
Half round, yeah. All right, so maybe the ball's next.
Okay.
Would this one look better on yours? The bigger one? I mean,
I don't know. You want to just pull them all off and we can kind of put them in a pile. Do this with your friend and
Who
share.
knows what you'll get?
Uh-oh.
I may go ahead and send my things through, but not really pull it through yet. It doesn't understand the
One.
sound effects.
2, 2, 3.
Circling.
Uh-huh. 3. Come on.
Dig, circle. Gotta get it just right.
3. Here comes 4. 3, 4,
4 circles.
4. Ah, it took 4.
That was tiring.
Yeah. You want to see the trick I saw?
Yeah.
To get your hot glue to go down?
Oh, yeah.
And it glues it to it.
Oh, nice.
So it'll pull it. That'll come off.
Sweet. Hot glue gun hack.
Hot glue gun hack. I might not do a bow.
You might not need one.
I might go rogue. I kind of covered up though. Cute. I like them. I mean, if I was a bird,
I know.
I would totally pick this.
Nest on. Yeah. This is where I'd put my eggs.
Yeah.
I had a lot of fun with that one.
I had a lot of fun too.
Yeah, I mean, it's neat. This one, there's a little more creativity to it.
Well, you can see we kind of, as we went along, really planned these out. So I think there's enough stuff in the box that you can kind of really take creative liberty.
Yeah.
And we really created 2 pretty different little wreaths.
And don't worry if you lack that bit of creativity and you really need to do something, you can totally copy
100%.
either one of them.
Yep.
So that
Yep.
makes it easy.
It does. Grapevine wreaths are so great because most of the time the stems will kind of stick somewhere. And if you feel like they need to be secured, then just touch them with hot glue. And
Very
we
cute.
actually didn't use any wire except on your ribbon.
Yeah.
But you could also use the wire to wrap stems around. These are cute. Of course, they're always cute.
We hope you enjoyed crafting with us today.
Yeah.
If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below because we've got lots of fun videos coming up for you, and we hope to see you next week.
Yeah, we'll see you next time.
See you next time.